All right. Hello, my name's Brent Tremblay. I'm with IDK Corporation, and I'm here in the SDVoE booth, and we're going to do a little presentation on IDK's latest and SDVoE's latest AV over IP and point-to-point hybrid solution. So today, most of the topics going to be talking about how SDVoE is more than just an AV over IP solution for video distribution. All right. So AV over IP and point-to-point solutions have typically been thought about on, just two different protocols. So on the AV over IP side, you have a lot of these ones that are probably look fairly familiar to everybody: SMPTE 2110, IPMX, NDI, JPEG, ASpeed, some of those solutions there. And then on the point-to-point side, we've had HD-based T, SDI, and then some manufacturers have their own proprietary solutions for that. So where IDK and SDVoE have kind of come together is to provide a hybrid solution based on the SDVoE technology. So as AV over IP is gaining in popularity and becoming more mainstream for a lot of integrators and consultants in their AV design, point-to-point still has a big influence on the market, and we're still seeing that being the main thing that a lot of integrators are doing for their systems there. So we've started to think about hybrid solutions being a more smooth transition to bring in new technology for consultants and integrators and AV clients. So going further on the hybrid solution, go make sure. Going further on the hybrid solution, so we have SDVoE as kind of the Alliance 10 gig AV over IP ecosystem. And then, of course, that's all built on the Blue River codec that Symtec provides, which also has the capability of providing a point-to-point interoperability between SDVoE signals. So when you add SDVoE plus the Blue River, you get what we have is IP Ninja, which is our SDVoE solution. And that allows us to create a wide range of products and product offerings that support a hybrid type solution. So have a couple merits of hybrid solutions. Three of the main ones that we as the manufacturer see is that it provides a flexible system step by step to build out your system and kind of fits into different customers' budgets. And it also is an easy design. Most designers are comfortable doing a design on point to point with HD-based T, kind of like in that set. And with using SDVoE as a point-to-point solution, they're able to do exactly the same thing. The second merit is that the system is very sustainable. So no need to replace product as they're upgrading or changing the technology that they're using within their system, because our point-to-point IP Ninja SDVoE solution can be used in either mode. Just depends on how they're connected, whether they're connected point-to-point as a transmitter to receiver, or if the units are connected to a switch, then they go into AV network mode. It also provides another way of redundancy, so you're utilizing less ports on your switch, and then you also have maybe switchers with SDVoE components in classrooms, conference rooms, etc. But they're still able to be utilized even if the system is having any issues on the network level. And then the last merit for a hybrid solution is the expandability option. So this is something that SDVoE just in general is very good at, to allow for easy expandability as the customer system grows. So this is not something that you really get with traditional HD-based T type solutions there. So. And then just kind of showing a little diagram showing AV over IP and point-to-point. So again, you can utilize SDVoE IP Ninja products in both ways. Same product, no different SKUs, no different firmware. Again, it's just depending on how those products are connected either to each other or to a switch. And then just showing kind of how versatile and how much the lineups actually kind of line up. So this is just looking at IDK's HD-based T lineup. So you have transmitters, receivers, wall plates, and then in the middle there you kind of have your switchers and stuff to kind of act as those hubs. And then if we kind of overlay and look at our SDVoE offering, you can see that they really match up. So we're able to offer transmitters, receivers, wall plates, switchers, all built on an SDVoE platform and allow you to extend and video signals using SDVoE the same as you would with traditional HD-based T. One other concept that this also allows us to do is to bridge in other protocols that clients might be using on their system. So we do have the SDVoE system, but we are also able to bridge in any Dante protocols, which IDK currently has a Dante bridge that allows you to bring bidirectionally audio to and from your system using Dante. And we're currently have a prototype product for NDI as well. Same concept, we'll have the ability to bridge those NDI signals to and from an SDVoE system there. So if you do have any questions, we definitely have a presence on the SDVoE booth, and then our booth is just down the hall at B700. So we welcome anybody to come and check it out and learn more about our products. So thank you very much.